That's the name of it. And apparently it's like a light and a tripod. So here we are. Let's take a look and see what we got. This is kind of interesting. They put it in this protective bag, which I think is a pretty good idea. Oh, there we go. So there's the light. It's basically an LED light. You've got on and off, plus and a minus, and it switches colors, I think. And you put your camera here, and then it comes with a tripod. Feels pretty substantial too. Oh, here, it comes out this side. Feels like a good tripod. Yeah, check it out. These all extend. You see? We may have to do a full extension just to see, so that you guys can see this. I mean, it really goes out there. And then this, I believe you turn this, pops down, and then you turn it this way to lock it up. Look at it. Pretty good size, huh? I mean, look, it's almost as tall as me. Comes up to my nose. Let's take a look at the bottom. Oh yeah, so you get a little screw there. And I'm sure we just screw it right on the top. So we're gonna bring it down like this. And then this right here, we turn it. Ah, there we go. And then you tighten that down. So there's the little pop. There's your little nut. All you gotta do is kind of get it in there. And then you just go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, so anyway, this thing here is what loosens this. So this turns right here. But you're probably going to keep it right about there, right? So you just got to kind of tighten her down. So that's basically your system right there. All right, so now that's your plug-in right there. So you plug it in. It's got something else in there. So it also has, look at that. It's got a remote. Huh. And it also has another type of holder for the phone. So your phone holder is going to go right here, just like this. And we'll just do it like that. Let's go back this way, and I think what we do is twist this to tighten it under here. Let me get a bit closer shot so you can see. So if you twist this, it's going to end up stopping where you don't want it to stop. So what you got to do is get your angle on it and then turn this wheel underneath here, and that kind of locks it in. Now this right here can give you different angles. So this right here, look, you can put your phone at different angles, and it stretches open. So you can put a pretty good sized phone in there. And I do have a, let me bring this down just a little bit. Let me get my phone. So this is a, right here, this is a Pro Max. Okay, so that's a pretty good sized phone. But you can see, look, I've got another inch I could put it on there. So if you've got you know, like an Otter case on your phone, you can leave it on there and still use this. But I'll probably just use it this way. Now this is your YouTube. And then, of course, if you're going to do, oops, if you're going to, I got it upside down. Shoot, screwed that up, didn't I? So anyway, if you're going to do your TikTok, or basically this is a profile. You can put it at profile, or you can put it at landscape. So you get a couple different choices, profile or landscape. That's basically how it works. So now let's go ahead and plug it in, and let's see how the light itself works. Is your spot where you plug it in. So you go ahead and push that in there. And then we'll go ahead and plug this in, and we'll try it out. So we're going to have to move it. I'm going to move it over here. Because right here is my... Or anyway, so you can see that we've got it plugged in right here. And there's a little light here. So if I press this button, it turns on. All right? And so then if you want to do... you can do a selfie with it. So if you wanted to do a selfie, you could. There's the selfie. But you could also turn the camera around. Let's say I'm doing a blog. There's the selfie mode, right? So I don't know if you guys can see it. So, it basically lights up your face really well. So this right here can be paired with this camera. You can see it's blinking right there. I think you have to do it through Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we've got everything on, right? And I've got, you see that little blinking light? So what we're going to do is we're going to do iOS. This also has Android too. It's got Android and iOS. So what we've got to do is come here. We're going to click settings. We got to go to Bluetooth. And then it should see this. And there it is, Ubeesize. And then all I got to do is touch it. And it should connect it. Now we're connected. Now we can get out of there. We can go back to the camera and check it out. If we want to take a photo, all we do is go like this. Watch. Bam, takes a photo. If we want to do a video, here we are. We just go ahead and click on our little button. Bam, we're doing a video. Hey, look at me, I'm doing a video. Bam. Now if I want to do the video this way, of course, whoops. Let's switch it around. All right, so, all right, we've got it all set up, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our little device here, and we're going to go ahead and click on this, and we're going to be doing a video here because I got it on video, right? Watch. See up here? We're recording now. I'm recording video. All right, stop it, press the button. Want to do a photo? Same thing. Here we are doing our selfie. You ready? Bam, done. That's how it works. That's how you work the Ubeesize, whatever that is, camera. Oh, also, let me just show you this. So anyway, if you want to raise or lower this, you go like this. So we're going to go lower. So that, I think, is as low as it goes. And we'll see how many taps it takes to get higher. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did 9 taps. Let's see if we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9. Let's see what this does. So we can do blue light, or we can do the more amber light. And we can raise it, and we can lower it. Let's go with blue light, raise it all the way up. So you've got a couple, there we go. See, there's the differences. So that's all your controller. And to turn it off, you just hit that, bam, done. All right, so this is another cool thing you can use this for. Not only vlogs, but let's say you're doing videos on how to get a really good video of this iPhone without having to worry about having these reflections, because this illuminates the area really well. And then if I wanted to go ahead and videotape this, I just got to press my little device here. Comes on, bam, and then we videotape. Oh, there we go. So now it's running, and so now I'm shooting this shot. And then I can come in here and and unbox it and do all those different things that you need to do. And then when you're done, you just go ahead and hit it, and bam, and now you've got your video. So this is going to be I think I'm going to really use this a lot. I think this is a really good product. So, I would highly recommend getting one of these things, especially if you're doing stuff like I do, which is, iPhones and all kinds of different little devices. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.